Okay, so far we've looked at straight and freeform lines and the ability for you to kind of control what your wrist and your hand are doing. That's just a case of building up your confidence. And we've looked at construction lines, so they're the faint light lines that you can use to build a drawing before you go over the outlines of your drawing. And then the next thing I want to look at is the properties between lines. Okay, so I'll try and explain what I mean with that. So if I draw one line and I draw another line that is next to it and is never going to touch it because it's exactly the same distance away, these are lines that we call parallel lines. Okay, so we have parallel lines, and then the opposite parallel lines would be lines that go in away from each other, like so, and we call that divergent lines. Lines that are going towards each other are called convergent lines. So you got parallel, divergent going away, convergent going towards each other. So that's good things to understand. Another things with lines and properties between them. So if I draw a vertical line and a horizontal line, the angle between those two lines is 90 degrees. We call those two lines perpendicular. We say they are perpendicular to each other. That means they are 90 degrees to each other. And then the last one we commonly use when we're doing drawings and things like that is lines that cross over. And we call lines that cross over intersecting lines. Okay, so an intersection is where two roads cross in America. Intersecting lines is two lines crossing over. So this one here, parallel, I'm going to come back to when we start talking about doing 3D drawings. But just for the time being, start trying to practice maybe drawing some parallel lines, divergent, convergent, intersecting and perpendicular lines.